Imagine two people who are regularly tasked with fighting a raging wildfire. Both are trained in what it takes to control, redirect, and ultimately quench the fire. Both are passionate about protecting the land and are called upon in times of crisis to mitigate disaster. Yet one of these two is seen as a hero, while the other is, mistakenly, seen as a villain. Who are they, and why the difference? Popular perception around firefighters is they are hand crews and fire engine staff, but in reality they are also loggers and other forest contractors. Firefighters have certainly earned their celebrated reputation as exemplary heroes, given their commitment to braving natural horrors. On the other hand, loggers have gotten a bad rap in recent decades. Popular media and partisan messaging often create a caricature of the commercial timber industry as enemies of the environment. That couldn't be further from the truth. Here's a closer look at logging in the state of Oregon to explain how loggers protect communities against fire by maintaining forest health. Loggers protect against wildfire and its effects at all stages: mitigation, active suppression, and post-fire recovery. Pre-fire mitigation. Loggers and other forest operators play vital roles in commercial fuel reduction in dangerously dense tree stands, prescribed fire activities to remove low-value fuels, clearing roads, maintaining forest access, and creating access points on private lands for future firefighting, all while delivering green building materials and minimizing the risk of catastrophic fire damage. Mitigation activities like these ensure that thousands of fires that start each year are put out before the public even knows about them. Over the last 10 years, the state of Oregon has averaged 2,151 fires per year, yet only 5% or less ever get over 100 acres or 75 football fields in size. It's worth noting, too, that as U.S. Forest Service land has seen a dramatic decline in timber harvesting, it also continues to account for the majority of acres burned. Fire engagement. When a fire does occur, partnerships between forest operators, private landowners, farmers, local and state governments, and federal agencies have proven vital as resources and personnel become scarce. Oregon's loggers are considered an integral part of Oregon's complete and coordinated wildfire suppression system. They're legally obligated to actively engage a fire if they see one near their operation. Loggers and other forest operators are involved with containing wildfires by creating contingency lines, operating dozers, active fuel removal, water tending, or showing up with an ample water supply, road clearing, backburning, and wood chipping. Post-fire restoration. When the embers have stopped burning and the seasonal firefighter's work is done, the logger's work picks right back up again. The timber industry and public land managers keep this particular group of firefighters employed throughout the year, preserving crucial knowledge and experience. Loggers and other forest operators are responsible for harvesting damaged timber and dead trees, removing hazards so the public can safely recreate and travel in and around the forest, repairing roads, replanting trees, and restoring aquatic habitats to ensure that the forest has a path forward and will be thriving for future generations. The restorative work of forest management eases the financial burden of wildfires on local communities as well. Over a 20-year time span, comprehensive costs to Oregonians may easily total tens of billions of dollars. By investing in restoration treatments, Oregon may avoid these costs while creating green jobs in rural Oregon. So next time you read about the heroes protecting homes and families from the devastating effects of wildfires, make some room for loggers in your gratitude. Men and women who steward our natural resources to ensure future generations can enjoy them the way we do today.